CD4017 Decade Counter are divided by 10. This IC is used to count the clock pulses and it displays in this sequence. At each clock pulse, it will shift to the next stage. From 0 to 9, 10 outputs and 1 carry output. CMOS IC available with CD4017 number and HEF4017 MC14017 IC. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is a question from my viewer that this IC has 10 outputs but he wants to make it 6 LED chaser, but its counting is from 0 to 10 and then return back to 0. Pin number 14 clock input, pin number 13 clock inhibit or clock enable signal. Most of the time this pin is connected to ground. Normally reset pin is connected to ground, that is pin number 15. In our case this yellow wire, this is pin number 15. If it is connected to ground and pin number 14 clock input, that is this pin, at each clock pulse it will shuffle to the next output. If I want to limit its counting, just only pin number 15, that is this reset pin, that will be connected to next output to our required level. Let's suppose I want to stop counting until here. So I will connect this pin at next output, that is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I connected to pin number 6, that is this pin. Now it is counting until here. If I remove from here and connect at this input, just only 4 LEDs are counting now, and this IC is now resetting again. It is master reset. Normally it is connected to ground, but when we want to limit it, let's suppose we want to stop it at pin number 10, the next pin, pin number 1, will be routed to reset pin. If I will connect here, we are counting until here. If it is connected to ground, it will complete its cycle. So using this method, that we can connect reset pin to the next output from our required level. So this IC will reset its outputs and it will start counting from 0. I connected to pin number 4. Now these outputs are disabled. When it will reach to pin number 4, it will reset the IC. So IC will start counting again from here. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.